G'day everyone, welcome back to another session. Today we're at the stream. I'm going to be throwing around these squidgy wrigglers first up. If that don't work, we'll change up, but we'll give them a go. See how we go. Might cast down there. See how we go anyway. Let's get into it. You're not meant to cast downstream, but we'll see how we go. Well, you're pretty thick down there. Well, get out of there. Well, that wasn't a very good start. This tail getting stuck to itself is kind of annoying me. How's it so sticky when it's wet? That doesn't even make sense. Look, it's already stuck to itself. Bloody hell. He's sticking to itself. Definitely might have to change the lure. But he's just sticking to itself. Alright. We're changing lure. We'll see what we got. I thought these would do the goods, but apparently not. Right. Hello. It's a wallaby right there. Hey mate. He looks pretty mad. Yeah, right. Alright, I'll have to try this motor oil colour. Yeah mate, I can see ya. Oh, yeah, I thought that one would do the goods, apparently not. Give this one a go. Alright. Alright, doesn't look too bad. Right. Give us a crack. This one better not start sticking. Oh, there's a trout right there, I think. That's a pretty good looking lure there. Alright. Pretty sure I saw a trout rise in there. Go to the side here. Try to get way up in there. That's perfect. Oh, that was a bite. 100% a bite. Oh, they're in here. Bloody hit it. Is he gonna hit it again? Nah, damn it. Well, I know they're feeding now. That's alright. Oh, might have been a swipe. Got him. No! Damn. Alright. They're active, they're active. That's good. Alright. Oh, there was a trout. Do you not want this? You mustn't have want this because I definitely cast there. Damn. That sucks. Might have a change up if it keeps going like that. Definitely pretty low flow today. Flow's a bit lower. Ooh, got stuck. Alright. Don't see anything chasing that. I think that's on the bank. Oh, got him. Oh no! Damn it! That's 2 fish I've lost. Oh, he's on it, 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 he's on it. I'm gonna get away. Ah, you let it get away. You let it get away. Oh, that's so frustrating. That's 2 fish that's had a hit at it now. Nope, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. He came over to have a look. Damn it, 2 fish we've lost. Yeah, we'll give this lure a few more strikes, and if we're not hooking up, we're gonna have to change. It's definitely getting strikes. Oh, see, he was right there. He just wanted nothing to do with the lure. Oh, oh. Bloody hell. Trout was behind me. Oh. Alright, we're gonna try one more soft plastic. And if this doesn't work, it's going to hard bodies. So we've got the Struck Tiger Nymph. It's in whitebait pearl colour. The only colour I got. But yeah, see if it makes a difference. I don't think white's the most natural colour, but you know. See how we go. Yep, okay. Pretty good action. You kind of got to make your own action with this thing, but like, it does the job, that's for sure. Oh, something hit it. Oh, got him. Oh, just a little fella. Just a little fella. I think there was a bigger one behind him. Oh, beautiful brown. Beautiful brown. Hello, buddy. Went for the whitebait pearl, strike tiger nymph. Come here, buddy. You're alright. Oh, look at him. What a beautiful fish. Here we go. Beautiful. There he is. Should be able to just pop that out and let him go. It's almost there. There we go. There he is. See you, mate. There he goes. Beautiful fish. Strike tiger nymph. Whitebait pearl colour. Geez, that water's cold. I'm surprised they're even chewing. Alright, let's keep going. Alrighty, let's continue. Might have been that trout actually. We're just going to do a little twitching action with this thing. He seemed to like it anyway, so it's definitely more for shallow water, this lure, and it stays near the top. Right. Oh, just let me up here. Oh, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. He still wants it, he still wants it. Oh. Oh, got him. I was just moving it in front of me because I saw him come down the waterfall. And I got him. That's so cool. He's a bigger one. Yep. You're right, buddy. Yes. 2 fish so far. Strike tiger nymph, whitebait pearl colour. Hey, buddy. Look at him. He is a nice brown. Good size. Alright, buddy. Alright, we'll get him back. Strike tiger nymph, whitebait pearl colour. See you later, mate. Gone. 2 on the board. I don't know if you saw it, but I saw him come above. I don't know which rock it was. I think it was in between these 2 ones. I saw him come out of here, and he was like on land, and he come out. And I was just putting it in front of him. Oh no, it was over there. Yeah, it was over there. Buddy, can't wait to watch that film when I get home. That'd be cool. Jeez, we're in here. Oh, oh, oh. He's on it. Got him? Yep. Jeez, I didn't know if I had him or not. Jeez, he charged on the other side of the pool. Just a little fella. Oh, line's in your gill, mate. Line's in your gill, buddy. Look, he's behind me now. This one's a bit more active. He charged after it. He wasn't messing around. Alright, buddy. There he is. Beautiful brown. Come on, quickly. Another beautiful trout. Just trying to get that lure. Jeez. Another nice brown. Here you go, mate. See ya. Go on. Beautiful. Bloody hell. Water rat. Shorty. I thought it was a platypus for a second. That would have been pretty rare. Oh, we got a pretty good stretch here. See how we go. Get in there. Yeah, I thought it sort of splashed as soon as that landed. Oh. Don't grab my beanie. Hey, this looks alright. Hope he's on it. Got him. Oh! Damn it. Another one lost. Alrighty. I've just changed to a spinner. See if that does any good. Look, he's stuck on my jumper somewhere. There we go. Oh. I have a feeling this one's going to pick up a lot of algae. We'll see how we go anyway. With a heavy, pretty heavy spinner actually. Cool, looks good. Hopefully the trout thinks so too. Get off it. I don't know, I might have to change up pretty quick. Picking up everything off the ground. Just really heavy, that's it. Alright. Keep throwing it for a while, see how it goes. What the hell? I hit a rock and it went that way. That's so weird. Oh, he's on it. Got him. No! Oh, I'll go for the spinner though. He got off, fortunately. Alright, now we know they'll go for the spinner. Oh. I think it was, oh, there he is. There is one there. A few trout near. I watched that one. Oh, he's a big one. He's a big trout. A big trout. I could see him. Bloody massive. He was only cruising. Oh, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. Damn it. Yeah. So many in here. Maybe they just don't want the spinner. He was just following that too. Got him. They do want the spinner maybe. Oh, he got off. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Look, look, look. Damn it. He's a really good sized trout. We can still see him. He wants nothing to do with that now. Damn it. Still see him. He's only just in front of us. Yeah, he's scared of the lure now. Jeez, there's plenty of them in here. Oh, I'm falling. Jeez, they want it. Had one hooked up. So they want the spinner. They just got to really commit for it. Put that in perspective. I saw about 5 fish, hooked one of them, and lost him. And none of the other ones had a go. So yeah, a bit disappointing, but that's how it goes. Alrighty, just changed to a little trout imitation Rapala countdown, I think it is. And yeah, I'm gonna get up to the first nice pool and then start fishing. Oops, that bloody spinner was really annoying to use. Hooking everything. Oh, Jesus Christ, hooking everything. And yeah, it wasn't fun at all. Alright, this has 2 trebles on it, but it should stay higher in the water column, so we'll see how we go. Alrighty, battery went flat. Surely the Rapala gets the biggest fish of the day. Surely. Nothing's even looking so far. It's only first pull. Oh, got him. Oh yeah. Knew the old Rapala would have to do the trick. There we go. What a beautiful trout on that Rapala. Hey. Oh, what a beautiful fish. He's a good looking one too. Yep, you're right, mate. There we go. Go on, mate, get out of it. There he goes. Had one treble in him, but bloody hell, it was in there. Alright. Use the Rapala for the rest of the session by the looks of it. Tried a few lures today. Whoa! Whoa! That would have been a big trout. Damn. Didn't even see him. Ah, sucks. Oh, got him. You good over there? I watched another one spook off as soon as I got him too. They're all been browns.
Oh, look at him!
I don't even know if I turned my camera on. Hey buddy. Nice looking trout. Shut this somewhere. It's a nice looking brown. Here he is. Oh, he hit me.
Back through your legs.
Alright. Perfect.
Nice one.
I don't know if there's another pool up there or not. Soon find out.
Righto guys, that's the end from us. A nice session to finish the end of the trout season in streams. There we go, I spat it out that time. Bryce ended up with, I don't know, I think about 6. We'll put the correct number on the screen anyway. Nice trout, all browns. Caught wading through. I went around, chucked a bit of bait. Only redfin I caught for the day. But other than that, it's been a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.